MBDA unveils mobile counter-drone air defense system with CMI and ASRAAM missiles. MBDA unveils a new mobile counter-drone combat vehicle at the Farnborough International Airshow 2026, introducing a highly mobile short-range air defense system that combines its new Counter Mass Interceptor CMI missile with the combat-proven ASRAAM to counter the growing threat of mass drone attacks. Revealed during the airshow, the system strengthens battlefield survivability by giving maneuver forces and critical infrastructure a rapidly deployable layered defense against drones, helicopters, and cruise missiles. Mounted on a Supercat high-mobility light truck, the vehicle pairs high-volume, low-cost drone interception with the longer range and multi-target capabilities of ASRAAM to deliver flexible protection across evolving threat environments. The new system reflects a wider shift toward mobile, affordable air defense solutions designed to sustain operations against increasingly complex and saturated aerial attacks. The new mobile counter-drone air defense missile system was presented during the 2026 Farnborough International Airshow as MBDA's latest response to the proliferation of inexpensive, uncrewed aerial vehicles (UAVs), a challenge that has reshaped modern air defense requirements following conflicts in Ukraine and the Middle East. By combining the newly developed Counter Mass Interceptor with the longer-range ASRAAM missile, MBDA offers military forces a multi-layered defensive capability that significantly expands battlefield survivability while reducing the cost of engaging low-value aerial threats. Unlike traditional surface war missile systems designed primarily to defeat high-performance aircraft, the Counter Mass Interceptor has been engineered specifically for engagements against Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3 UAVs, which have become one of the most difficult and economically challenging threats facing modern armed forces. These drones are inexpensive, widely available, and increasingly employed in coordinated swarms designed to overwhelm conventional air defense systems. MBDA describes the Counter Mass Interceptor as a mass-producible, low-cost effector intended for fear-and-forget engagements at both significant range and altitude. The company emphasizes that the missile is designed to be cost-comparative, enabling armed forces to destroy low-cost aerial threats without relying on significantly more expensive interceptor missiles. This cost-exchange ratio has become one of the defining challenges in contemporary air defense, where defending against hundreds of inexpensive drones using high-end missiles is operationally and economically unsustainable. The missile offers fully autonomous operation after launch thanks to its infrared IR seeker, allowing operators to engage multiple threats in rapid succession without maintaining continuous guidance. This fear-and-forget capability significantly improves battlefield efficiency by reducing operator workload while increasing engagement capacity during saturation attacks. According to MBDA, the Counter Mass Interceptor can engage aerial targets at ranges exceeding 6 kilometers and at altitudes above 6 kilometers, providing comprehensive protection against drones operating across a broad portion of the lower airspace. The missile supports both day and night operations and provides 360-degree engagement coverage, enabling rapid reaction against threats approaching from any direction. The interceptor employs a 122mm solid-fuel rocket motor for propulsion and carries a blast fragmentation warhead, optimized to destroy small aerial targets through fragmentation rather than requiring direct impact. Flight control is achieved through forward-mounted canards, providing the agility required to intercept maneuvering drones and other fast-moving airborne targets. Target acquisition can be performed using either an electro-optical camera or radar, allowing commanders to tailor the system to different operational environments. MBDA also offers a fully passive operating mode, enabling the vehicle to engage threats without emitting radar signals, thereby reducing the risk of detection by enemy electronic surveillance systems or anti-radiation weapons. One of the most notable aspects of the new system is its integration with the ASRAAM surface-launched Advanced Short-Range Air-to-Air Missile, already recognized as one of the most capable short-range surface-war missiles available. While the Counter Mass Interceptor addresses large numbers of relatively inexpensive UAVs, ASRAAM provides the ability to defeat more demanding threats including combat aircraft, larger drones, helicopters, and cruise missiles. This layered approach allows commanders to reserve higher-performance interceptors for the most dangerous targets while employing the lower-cost CMI against mass drone attacks. The launcher installed on the Supercat light tactical truck demonstrates MBDA's emphasis on mobility. The lightweight vehicle provides rapid deployment, high off-road mobility, and the ability to relocate immediately after firing. This shoot-and-scoot capability has become increasingly important in modern conflicts, where counter-battery radars, loitering munitions, and long-range precision strikes can rapidly target stationary air defense systems after missile launches. Beyond the showcased vehicle configuration, MBDA has designed the Counter Mass Interceptor as a platform-agnostic weapon capable of integration across multiple launch solutions. The missile can be installed on tactical land vehicles, mounted aboard uncrewed surface vessels USVs for maritime air defense missions, or packaged in containerized launch modules that significantly increase magazine depth for fixed-site defense or expeditionary deployments. This modular architecture offers military planners considerable flexibility while simplifying future integration into existing force structures. The interceptor itself weighs approximately 53 kilograms and measures 2.3 meters in length, making it substantially smaller than many traditional surface-to-air missiles, while still providing meaningful engagement performance. MBDA also states that operator training requirements are intentionally kept low, allowing forces to introduce the capability quickly without extensive specialist instruction. The new missile forms an integral part of MBDA's broader Sky Warden counter-uncrewed aerial system architecture, which combines sensors, command control software, electronic warfare capabilities, and kinetic interceptors into a comprehensive layered air defense network. Such integrated solutions are increasingly viewed as essential as modern armed forces confront simultaneous threats from reconnaissance drones, one-way attack drones, loitering munitions, helicopters, and low-flying cruise missiles. Readers may also find related coverage in our reports on MBDA's Sky Warden counter-UAS system, latest SHORAD modernization programs, and Ukraine's evolving air defense requirements. MBDA indicated that the Counter Mass Interceptor is expected to be available for deployment in Ukraine within approximately 18 months, underscoring the urgency with which Western industry is responding to battlefield lessons learned during Russia's full-scale invasion. Ukraine's extensive experience defending against large-scale drone and missile attacks has highlighted the need for affordable interceptors capable of sustaining prolonged defensive operations without rapidly exhausting inventories of more expensive air defense missiles. Strategically, the introduction of the Counter Mass Interceptor addresses one of the most pressing capability gaps confronting NATO and allied militaries. The rapid expansion of inexpensive drones has fundamentally altered the economics of air warfare, forcing militaries to seek scalable, high-volume interception capabilities rather than relying exclusively on sophisticated long-range air defense missiles. By pairing a low-cost interceptor with the proven ASRAAM in a highly mobile configuration, MBDA is positioning its new system as a practical solution for protecting maneuver formations, expeditionary forces, critical infrastructure, and forward operating bases against increasingly complex aerial threats. If successfully fielded on the timeline announced at Farnborough, the system could become an important component of next-generation short-range air defense architectures across Europe and beyond.